This bull is not having it today. Sometimes you get a little bit more than you expect. This woman turned on her superpowers and chased away a mama bear. Who do you think was more surprised? This bear did not expect an audience today.
I'm sorry.
This moose does not like people on its road.
He's coming up right here, dude.
A whale would be the last thing I thought would show up here. This sea lion is having the time of his life. How would you react to this?
Holy!
The father did not hesitate for a second to jump into the water.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Luckily, everything went well. This would be so cool to experience. He did not like people in his waters. He must have been in a rush. I hope he's okay. This is why I tell my kids to keep the windows up.
This! Oh my god. There's a bird.
I guess he really doesn't like cameras.